Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your default web browser in Windows 11 to be Google Chrome. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search magnifying icon, and you want to select Settings, or you can search for Settings alternatively. On the left side, you want to select the menu icon up at the top, and then select Apps on the left side. You want to select where it says default apps. Go ahead and left click on that. Where it says set defaults for applications, type in Chrome and then click the over arrow, so the right arrow. Go ahead and left click on that. And now you can go ahead and set it for any of the default pages you want to open. So for example, if you want to open PDFs in Google Chrome, you can click inside of here and then select switch anyway. And then you can change it to Google Chrome. And then you'd select OK. And then you do that for any other extensions in here you'd want to open up in Google Chrome. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.